Can I please have Mr. Ajay Kapoor on stage?
First of all, it's an honor that the team at T-Series and Bhushan ji offered me this song. It's a growing trend that's been led by this music company, and I was very happy to be part of what I felt was, when I heard the track a month before we shot it in Goa, I felt this is right up there with my best, with my films. And unfortunately, yes, yeah, I would be more greedy if it wasn't a film, but yes, it's a music video. But again, one of my favorite tracks. And I think both of them have done a fantastic job at the composition, the singing, the lyrics. And it's a track that I feel stands the test of time. It will. It's a classic that, even after 10 or 20 years, it will still sound as contemporary as it sounds today. And coming down to eventually depicting that on screen, a great story written by Sagar, and Amit has directed it fabulously. I feel,
who are produced to get the emotion out. But Amit has done a fantastic job of creating that ambience and shooting it in that 6-minute video. I think the lyrics spent down also are really very, very, very done. It's done very well. And of course, Rashmi is the lead director on the lyrics, and it's again very soulful, that adds to the touch. And last but not least, Isha, after Jonah and Bars. Unfortunately, I didn't get romance on this. She goes on with someone else. But as I said, we'll get back to it. Isha, what would you like to say to topics?
Yeah, I think better than
But I thought it's a big day, so might as well just look. Congratulations, Dan. I think the song is fantastic. You sound legendary. I think you're going to be the next, the future, the big thing in the country.
Thanks.
Well, great music. Thank you very much.
in synergy. That was the thought, and I felt that it's a brilliant music video that's been directed well, the conceptually done, which adds to the feel of the song and just enhances it. क्योंकि जब आपका visual दिखता है वो अच्छा होता है, it just takes the song to another level. Of course, the song is very good, and the visual representation is very good also.
And गाने का निचोड़ अगर मैं मानूं तो है कि इजहार सही टाइम पे और जल्द से जल्द कर देना चाहिए इश्क का.
Definitely that.
One of those things.
See a man.
मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ complicated नहीं चल रहा.
ओके भूषण, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि ये आपका एसोसिएशन जो इमरान से के साथ है, विल इट आल्सो, दिस वीडियो इज लुकिंग वेरी गुड, वेरी प्लेजेंट एंड वेरी नाइस, सो इमरान's एसोसिएशन विल ब्रिंग अ बैग फुल ऑफ booty also? Bag full of booty, lot of.
Yes, we have. So thank you, Imran.
Thank you, Bhushan ji.
Yeah, hi. This is Faridun from Bolorangama. Amal, for you, this side. Yeah, beautiful composition.
Thank you.
You've mostly been associated with dance numbers. I think you've done a lesser number of maybe romantic songs per se.
I think I did a song called "Main Hu Hero Tera," which is the love song of the year.
But
So
mostly you've been associated with dance numbers. I think this is something which is like beautifully romantic. In terms of music arrangements, do you feel that somewhere it is quite minimalistic? You are having like minimum instruments, and that is having more impact.
In this song specifically, I did that because I felt कि जो lyric what Rashmi Virag had written, those words were so beautiful and so simple कि एक आवाज को ही एक importance मिलनी चाहिए song में. There, underneath the voice, there are guitars, there's drums, there are many things, but they've all been underplayed because I feel it's the tune and the melody and the lyrics that should come out. That's why the song is treated a little different from my other songs, the dance tracks, as you're saying.
Isha, hi, here, straight. Hi. Natural to you, or have you taken some?
No, I hadn't. I had ride a scooty once a while. So actually, Imran was really generous enough because I think he was just really scared that if I actually will be sitting on it, what's going to happen to him, because I was persistent. I'll only ride the bike and no one else will. So Imran actually just helped me into that. So he taught me how to do that.
Right. And also as an actress, when it was said that you won't be romancing Imran in this video, what was your feeling like?
I was like, चलिए पहली दो बार तो हो चुका है, तो कोई बात नहीं चलेगा.
वहीं से आया हूँ मैं. अभी रात को वहाँ पे शूटिंग के लिए जाऊँगा. अभी ख़त्म हो जाएगा दिसंबर में और रिलीज़ May 13th को है. अभी बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं, स्क्रिप्ट्स आ रही हैं, तो कोई जब ग्रीन लिट होता है प्रोजेक्ट, जब फ्लोर पे जाने जब शुरू होती है शूटिंग, तभी मैं बात करता हूँ उसके बारे में. इट्स ऑल वेरी प्रीमेच्योर. दैट्स विद देम अगेन. जो हम जनवरी में जाने वाले हैं, ठंड में -15 डिग्रीज में रोमानिया में शूट करने वाले हैं. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट. इट्स गोना बी फन. सो स्ट्रेट स्केड्यूल इन रोमानिया. Actually, casting के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, honestly. I don't know who else is in the film, the rest of the cast and the crew. क्योंकि मैं actually shoot कर रहा था अजहर के लिए for the past almost 3-4 months. और अभी दिसंबर में हम prep शुरू करेंगे उसका.
Imran, there has been a lot of disappointment in the fact that you have not kissed in the video. You're saying that it would be amply compensated in the next movie. Would that be Azhar? Would there be any? No.
I think डाल ही देते हैं हम लोग.
No, on a serious note, since it's a biopic, would there be any romance? How would the
biopics people kiss? Yeah.
So we will see Azhar kiss.
I'm sure Azhar also has.
So we will see Azhar kiss on screen.
So obviously biopic actually lends itself more into that. तो add कर देंगे उसमें, means compensate कर देंगे अभी बाकी है, 15 दिन बाकी हैं.
You mean to say it's not there?
No, it's there. We've shot. We'll compensate even more now.
Oh.
After I had the discussion right now about the compensation, we'll compensate more.
इमरान, अभी हालांकि सेंसरशिप ने इसको किसिस को बैन किया है, आप तो किसिस के लिए जाने जाते हैं, तो आपका क्या टेक है इसके ऊपर?
Well, बैन नहीं किया, एक लेंथ जो उन्होंने काटी थी जेम्स बॉन्ड में. That's again, they have their rules and regulations and जिस तरह करते हैं. मुझे पता नहीं, we'll get to that when my film eventually goes for censorship. उस पर डिबेट obviously शुरू होगा, and उससे पहले बहुत सारी फिल्में आने वाली हैं. So there are lot of people against the fact that it's been snipped और उसका कोई logic नहीं है. I also for one feel that it's going back to the dark ages. We're not taking steps forward. हमारी society evolve हो रही है. Unabashedly we are, the kind of cinema we're exposed to in these times, international films, Hollywood films, जो television पे आता है, that is progressing, and we are making sure Bollywood regresses, which is, I think it's very detrimental for our industry. So जब आपका एक censorship का एक law होता है कि ठीक है, एक certificate film है, आपको दे दीजिए उसको एक certificate, but then don't snip out things for the sake of snipping it off. I don't understand that logic. So hopefully it will be revised in the next couple of months, and we'll get to some kind of positive reform.
Imran, here.
Hi. Abhi one last.
Isha, you're looking very beautiful in the video. Yeah, I would like to ask you, there is a song is a message. Stories and love stories don't. So in your life, there is any love stories still, है ऐसा कुछ जो आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे? अभी तक है?
मेरी तो शादी हो गई है, तो वही है, the entire journey. So you want to share anything? Your boyfriend, any current boyfriend that you have?
Have you been deserted anytime? Imran, have you been deserted anytime?
I just said that right now. Have you seen my films?
Yeah.
No, deserted as in had
I'm
my
not
heart
talking in
trampled
terms
on.
of real.
Have
I'm talking in terms of real.
Have my heart been trampled on? Is that, I don't know what you mean by that.
Have you been deserted in real? Not, I don't think so.
No, but the meaning of desert is what I'm asking. Have I been, have my heart been trampled on by a girl in a relationship where I wanted to say something and she went out with someone else?
Have you been rejected, and you couldn't profess your love,
I think these things happen with most of us in college.
How old were you then?
You're seeming less like a journalist and more like a shrink. This is going to the deep. How do you feel about it?
How do you feel about it?
I don't know, I must have been, I have no memory in the sense, I don't know what age it was. I think I must have been 15, 14. But I feel that every man should get their heart trampled on at least once in their life. It's a learning experience. No, I generally feel that. Because there's a lesson learned with that pain. A, don't take the girl for granted. And secondly, say it at the right time.
But what if it happens?
And say it fast.
Sorry? Keeps happening constantly then?
Then you need counseling. then जाके मेरी फिल्म देख लेना, कुछ सीख मिल जाएगी.
ये host है या दोस्त है या क्या है ये?
you've been in a situation, then see my films here. Then you'll get some.
More like action. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for being a part of this lovely event. This is really Mike's film.